In the realm of heavy machinery, excavators are some of the most versatile and essential pieces of equipment. From construction sites to mining operations, these machines need to perform under extreme conditions while delivering consistent power. But behind that raw power is an often overlooked component that dictates efficiency, reliability, and overall performance: the plunger pump R021-0000 SR-HPV118HW-26B EFI electronic fuel injection pump. This is a piece of engineering that is small in size but massive in importance. While tracks, hydraulics, and engines get a lot of attention, the fuel injection system is what ensures the engine runs smoothly, efficiently, and responsively. Without a proper fuel pump, even the most advanced excavator engines can struggle to perform optimally. Robust engineering and build quality. The SR-HPV118HW-26B plunger pump is built for longevity. Constructed from high-grade materials, it is designed to withstand vibrations, dust, dirt, and extreme temperatures common on worksites. Precision engineering ensures that the plunger and cylinder assembly maintains tight tolerances, which is critical for consistent fuel delivery. Plunger pumps are known for durability in heavy-duty applications, and this model is no exception. It provides uniform fuel flow under high pressure, which translates into smoother combustion and reduced mechanical stress on the engine. This durability reduces downtime, making it a smart investment for any operation relying on excavators. EFI technology, precision meets performance. What sets this pump apart from traditional mechanical systems is its electronic fuel injection (EFI) technology. The EFI system integrates sensors, actuators, and an ECU, engine control unit, to manage fuel delivery with precision. This offers several advantages: accurate fuel-air mixture for optimal combustion efficiency, enhanced throttle response, providing power exactly when needed, reduced fuel consumption, lowering operational costs over time, lower emissions, keeping machines compliant with environmental regulations. In short, this pump ensures that every drop of fuel is utilized efficiently, making the engine more powerful, reliable, and eco-friendly. Real-world performance. When installed, this plunger pump directly impacts excavator performance. Operators notice smoother engine operation, stronger torque delivery, and greater reliability even under the most demanding conditions such as digging deep trenches, lifting heavy loads, or operating on rough terrain. Key performance benefits include consistent power output under variable loads, reduced vibrations and noise, creating a more stable machine, extended service intervals, reducing maintenance downtime. Over thousands of operating hours, the difference is clear: better fuel efficiency, improved engine response, and fewer unexpected repairs. Reliability that matters. For industrial machinery, reliability is not optional, it's essential. A low-quality or failing fuel injection pump can lead to engine misfires, inefficient fuel consumption, or total downtime, which can halt entire projects. The SR-HPV118HW-26B plunger pump eliminates these risks by combining rugged mechanical construction with advanced electronic control. For fleet managers and operators, this translates to more predictable machine performance, fewer interruptions, and a longer-lasting engine. Investing in a high-quality pump is an investment in operational continuity. Compatibility and installation. The pump is designed for seamless integration with excavators using EFI systems that require this specific model. Installation should be carried out by certified technicians to ensure proper calibration with the ECU. Once installed, the pump operates flawlessly, maintaining consistent fuel pressure and supporting optimal engine performance. Its precise fit reduces risks of leaks or misalignment, ensuring reliable operation for thousands of hours. Value proposition. The initial investment in a high-grade fuel injection pump is outweighed by the long-term savings it delivers. Reduced fuel consumption, fewer repairs, and minimized downtime translate to lower total cost of ownership. In addition, high-performance